In this video, we're making this beautiful Harvest Sunset cold process soap. This design uses warm autumn colors and a simple pouring technique to create flowing swirls that make every bar completely unique. Let's get started. First, make your lye solution. Slowly add 286 grams sodium hydroxide to 760 grams distilled water. Stir until it's fully dissolved, then leave it to cool. Next, add 1,000 grams of olive oil, 600 grams coconut oil, and 400 grams shea butter into a pan, and heat up on a low heat until all the oils and butters have melted and blended together. Allow the oils to cool to roughly the same temperature as the lye solution. Once both are ready, carefully pour the lye solution into the oils. Using a stick blender, pulse in short bursts until you reach a light emulsion. Keep the batter fairly thin, as this will help create the flowing pattern later on. Now stir in 60 grams autumn fragrance oil by hand until it's fully incorporated. Divide the soap batter evenly between 6 containers and color each one. Use titanium dioxide for white, yellow mica, gold eco spark, gold mica, orange mica, and red mica. Give each color a good stir until it's blended and smooth. Now for the fun part. Start pouring into your loaf mold, but instead of pouring into the middle, pour each color into a different corner of the mold. Keep rotating around the corners, adding small pours of each color as you go. There's no right or wrong order. Just keep alternating the colors and corners until all of the batter has been used. As the colors naturally flow into each other, they'll create beautiful ribbons and soft curves throughout the soap. The more random the pouring, the more natural your Harvest Sunset design will look. Once you've finished pouring, gently tap the mold on your work surface to remove any air bubbles. Cover the mold and leave it somewhere safe for 24 to 48 hours while the soap hardens. Once it's ready, remove the soap from the mold and cut it into bars. Then leave the bars to cure in a cool, dry place with good airflow for 4 to 6 weeks before using them. And that's it. A simple technique that creates a beautiful autumn-inspired soap, with every bar looking slightly different from the last. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.